Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC 8551 Communication Networks, third year ECE, Unit 1, Fundamentals and Link Layers. In this session, we have to discuss about the topic error detection and error correction for communication network system. The outline of this presentation: number 1, introduction to error detection and correction; number 2, types of errors; number 3, redundancy; number 4, error detection and correction methods. Now, first of all, what is error detection and correction? Error detection is the detection of errors caused by noise or other impairment during transmission from the transmitter to the receiver. Error correction is the detection of errors and reconstruction of the original error free data. Now, what are the types of errors? There are two different types of errors are there in the communication network systems. Number 1 is a single bit error, number 2 burst error. Single bit error, only one bit of a given data unit is changed. Okay, only one bit of data. Then the least likely types of error in serial transmission path. Third one is a single bit error can happen in the parallel transmission, but burst error, two or more bit in the data unit have changed. Burst error does not necessarily means that the error occur in the consecutive bit. Most likely to happen in a serial transmission, number of bit affected depends upon the data rate and during the duration of noise. Now, the next slide, redundancy. Error detection uses the concept of redundancy, which means adding extra bit, that is a redundant bit, for detecting error at the destination side. These redundant bits are added by the sender and removed by the receiver type. We see the sender and receiver of unreliable transmission path. Now, the error control. The detection, that is a correction, viewers correction. The detection is a error yes or no. The correction is a no need to know the exact number of bit that are corrected and their location in the message. Forward error correction, viewers retransmission, that is a back error correction. Forward error correction is a process in which the receiver try to guess the message by the using redundant bit, that is a duplicate bit. If the number of error is small, correction by retransmission is a technique in which the receiver detect the occurrence of error and ask the sender to resend the message. Resending is repeated until a message arrives that the receiver believes in error to error free. Now, for example, we see the error detection, the logic data word and code word. The receiver receive the 011, which is a valid code word. The receiver exact the data code word 01 from the code word is corrupted during the transmission and the 111 is a received. This is not a valid code word and is discarded. The third one is the code word is corrupted during transmission and 000 is received. This is a valid code word. The receiver incorrected exactly the data word 00. Two corrupted bit have made the error undetectable. Now, the error correction. For example of error correction, we see the table and we see the block diagram. The sender create the code word 01011. The code word is corrupted during transmission and 01001 is received. The receiver find an error has occurred, assuming that there is only one bit corrupted. So comparing the received code word within the first code word in the table 01001 wise 0000, the receiver did decide that the first code word is not the then one. It was send because there are two different bit. The same for third and fourth one is the table. So the original code word must be in the second one in the table, because this is the only one that difference from the received code word by one bit. So these are the conditions of error detection and correction of using the table code word methodology. Thank you for watching this video.